If you want to succeed in Marbella, buying the right property is only part of the story. What really changes everything is the network you build here. That's one of the reasons why I decided to join this networking group. Over the years, I've realized that many of the best opportunities in life don't come from searching. They come from the people you meet along the way. Today, around 30 entrepreneurs gather here on the Golden Mile, right by the sea. People building businesses in different industries, from real estate and consulting to international startups and technology. What I really like about Marbella is that you feel you are inside a big networking. It's quite easy to move around from Stepona to this place where we are now. And most of my best deals and also my friends, my best friends normally come through networking. People I meet first to talk about business, and then you normally end up becoming friends. And then from this friendship, you do business. And that's very powerful. One of the things I enjoy most in these meetings is discovering new ideas and new projects. I'm here with Alejandra. We just met to this networking group. It's nice to meet you, Alejandra.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, what I like to mention at the videos is that the connection between different cultures, it's great. And also you have this inside of these networking groups. Different nationalities, different experiences. And Alejandra just moved to Marbella. How long ago?
I moved in November, so yeah, just
wow.
A few months ago.
And then at the presentation, I was curious about your work because you are now connecting people through some platforms, right? Can you talk a little bit about this?
So a little bit of my background. I worked in United Nations and other international organizations for a long while, and at some point I just decided that I wanted to start my own business and my own entrepreneur journey. So I founded Nextio, which is a web app that we use for networking in events like this, so people can join the community. You can see in the app who is who and connect more efficiently, you know?
I'm going to leave the link at the description, so if someone wants to know more about this app to connect with other people, other entrepreneurs, you just can click here. But I'm very curious about your experience working in the United Nations. How long did you work and what did you learn working with them?
So I've been working, the last assignment it was in Guinea-Bissau for 3 years, and my biggest learn lesson was how important it is when you travel abroad to have an open mind, to listen to the needs of the community and to adapt to where you are, because we have all different cultures, you know.
And why did you choose Marbella to move and live?
But also because for me, for my businesses, I thought it's good to start in a place that is small, but it has a lot of international exposure, because here we have people from England, from the US, from Asia, from everywhere.
Where are you living at the moment exactly here?
I live in Selvo.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I like Selvo a lot. I have actually done some videos there. It's between Estepona and Benahaves. Yeah, it's still quiet and residential area with green around. I like it. Thank you for joining the video and helping to inspire other people that are planning to move.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you. See you at the next video. At one point during the lunch, I also had an opportunity to speak in front of everyone and share a little about my journey in real estate here in Marbella.
Me llamo Dico, soy brasileño, trabajo hace 16 años con real estate y sobre todo clientes que hablan inglés, Inglaterra, Estados Unidos. Tengo también 4 canales de YouTube que normalmente hago contenido para YouTube en inglés. Yo creo que si alguien habla inglés y tiene un negocio que quiere quizá compartir un poco y hablar sobre, podemos colaborar de esta forma. Estoy uniendo estilo de vida que puedes tener aquí en Marbella con las propiedades que podemos vender. Quizá podemos colaborar de verdad.
It's not just about buying a property. It's about helping people connect with the right environment, the right professionals, and the right opportunities. When someone decides to invest in Marbella, They're not just choosing a home, they're choosing a lifestyle, a community, and a place where business, friendships, and opportunities grow naturally together. If you are thinking about investing or relocating to Marbella, feel free to reach out.
Viva Sinergia!